guys, today I'm coming on to tell you about the 4 simple ways you can make money online in 2026. It is April. Can you believe we're halfway through April, even 2/3 of the way through April already? 2026, time is flying by, and so you want to pay attention because I'm going to be telling you the 4 ways that I would suggest you can make money online. I've got my trusty whiteboard, so stick with me. And a bit of a smelly pen. If I pass out from the fumes, do press the button which says resuscitate right now. I'm only joking, of course. Okay, right. The first thing is, of course, you can all of these methods are in my school community, the Digital Income Freedom Hub. So you can go over there, but I can give you extra links as we go along. You're going to particularly like the fourth one. Okay, so 4 ways to make money online today. There you go. 4 ways to make money online today. You heard it here first. I say the fourth one is my favorite. Okay, so let's go with the first one then. Master Resale Rights, MRR. Better write that down. Master Resale Rights. Okay, Master Resale Rights are fantastic. What basically you do is you retain 100% of your profits. That's got to be good. Yeah, I like that idea. I love it, in fact. And it's so simple to do, so simple to get started. Now, the one I started with, the one I started with, funny enough, was only $10. Okay, it was $10. I bought it. I was then able to resell it. Okay, it was valuable. I will be honest. It was valuable. It was a set of 600 plus Facebook groups that were potentially my ideal or target audience, or have my target audience in them. Okay, super, super cool. Very, very good. I bought it because I really wanted access to the Facebook training on it. That was very good as well. But then I resold it. I resold it several times very, very quickly. So I made my $10 back because every time I resold it for $10, I kept 100% of the profit. So that's what I loved. Okay, so that was really good. I liked it. So I then traded up. I then bought another one which cost me $300. This contained a very, very extensive social media training on it. It also had a huge community. At the time, it was over 48,000. I think now it's just under 60,000 people active buying it. I bought it for $300. When it could at the time, it could increase, the value could increase to $900. So then when I had someone that actually wanted the $900 course, so the full bells and whistles, it was a no-brainer for me to buy, then upgrade from the 300 to the 900, and then I could sell the 900 course, and then I got my money straight away back. That was so simple. That seemed to me like a crazy easy way to make money online, and it is. All these things that I'm going to show you today are all super, super simple. However, you need to have a process to make it work efficiently. Otherwise, you're going to be scrambling around, chasing different shiny objects and getting nowhere fast. So this was Master Resale Rights. This was the very first one. I freaking loved it. Okay, absolutely loved it. Next one I'm going to tell you about is community. Yeah, okay, because within this Master Resale Rights, well, the first ones I joined had this huge community that I told you about. Yes, I had 48, I think it was about 48,000 people in it, maybe less than that. But now it's just under 60,000 people. And these things are selling for, $100, $300, $600, $900, even $1,200 now. And people are pouring into the community. And that's what I thought, hang on a minute, this is really cool, because if you've got a community, if you build a community, so basically build an audience that you have contained in one place, so it could be a Facebook community, it could be a schools community, then you can actually create income by selling into that community, or not even selling. You can have some affiliate links, and I'm going to come to that in a little while, so people can buy your products. So you've got people there, what you're explaining, items that you're using, you can just put a link in and people can buy it. Super, super simple. Okay, and so also I realized that with community, you could then actually monetize the community by having paid subscriptions. So you have paid subscriptions, you give value in the community, you can have paid subscriptions, and that way you can make money. You can then invite people in. It's a very good way to begin just building and your audience and using other people to help you build your audience. So like you're building into different people's audiences. Super, super cool thing to do. And of course, pretty much one of the lowest entry levels you can get. So that was the second one. Third one, not everyone's cup of tea, wasn't my cup of tea, to be honest, but I did it anyway. This is network marketing. Let's put that in. Okay. So network marketing was the next one. So I got into this because it was a product I really loved. It just helps. It was a health product. I took it, loved it, wanted to tell everyone about it. And so, so like the old multi-level marketing, network marketing, that's how you then start your business. So you can either sell it retail and collect profit, or you can build a distribution network under you and then collect the commissions from the volume. Okay, now back in the old days, I remember back in the 80s, I tried one and I was running around knocking on doors trying to shove a video in people's hands saying, watch that, they're rich people on there and they'll show you how to make money online. Or, well, not online. They'll show you how network marketing works, blah, blah, blah. Things have changed a lot since then. Now it's super professional. So for $40, you've got a beautiful website. And it's not just the people I promote, but also I know lots of others similar things. So you get access to a beautiful little website, which has got all the products there ready to go. So you can actually just let your customers go onto the website, just like going onto Amazon. They can order, pay. You don't have to get involved with the shipping, anything like that at all. So that I think is a great thing, a great enhancement, and it does work. A couple of things I just say: be careful. There are some bad players out there, and just make sure they've been around a while because you don't want to get let down, shall we say. Right, fourth one. I told you you're going to like this. This is the fourth one. This is my favourite one. If I could spell it. My affiliate marketing. Terrible spell. I know, terrible writing. So what is affiliate marketing? Basically, affiliate marketing is my absolute favorite because you don't have to hold products, you don't have to do anything, you're just promoting products and services that you have experienced and that you like, and you're just giving someone a link. Okay, so you're just giving a link. I got started with this with Amazon, and so Amazon gives you pretty much everything you could possibly ever want to sell. You can have a link. If you join their affiliate program or their associates program, you can then grab a link for any of the products listed on Amazon, and you can put that link anywhere you like, and you can promote those products and make commissions. Now, the commissions are super, super tiny. What I learned was that you're going to get bigger commissions on digital products. So with Amazon, kid you not, it was 1 to 4%. So we had to sell a ton of product to make any money. Digital products typically around about the 50% mark for digital. Okay, and these were great things. So these were things like website hosting with HostGator, for example, TubeBuddy, vidIQ, lots and lots of different. There's Lovable, there's Poppy AI, lots of different platforms, digital platforms that will give you commissions. Okay, as I say, and these typically 30-40% upwards, super cool. There is one I know of, and they currently pay me. I'll give you. Go on, have a guess. Put in the comments how much per percentage commission do you think they pay me right now on some of their products? 200%. Yep. And pretty soon they're going to be paying me 300% on some of these as well. A lot of the other things, some of these are low ticket item prices. So a link for $7, get paid $14. That's really cool. And they stack up. And there's 2 tiers. So then everyone I sell my link to then sells another link, I get another $14. These are small amounts, but they stack. Okay, that's important though, because if you've got little things stacking, that keeps you in the game. And another thing is, they even pay you. I love this. You pay $7 to get started, and then they will pay you potentially $30 because you've got 6 lots of training just for watching the training. I've not seen anyone offer that at all. If you want to know about that, just comment 200 or message me, and I can give you the details. Okay, and so that's really cool. And again, you don't have to do anything. It's also got an incredible community and amazing training. Okay, so the reason I joined this one for $7 was I wanted to get my hands on the Facebook training. Okay, they did do all the training when I joined, but not in such a compact way as they do now. And so I wanted to get hold of what we called Facebook 101 training. That was worth way more than the $7 that I paid. But again, I was able to sell a $7 product pretty quickly, get my money back. And that's what I always recommend is as soon as you buy something, any of these things online, make sure that you can get your money back as fast as possible, because then everything is profit and you're going to love it. Okay, because that takes a whole, if you sign up for monthly subscriptions, make sure that you've got more subscriptions coming into you, commissions, than going out. Okay, so anything that I buy online, any digital product, I always look for an affiliate program so that if I like it, and I'm not going to use it if I don't like it, then I can promote those as well. How we promote is within this system here. We've got this Facebook affiliate system, and yeah, the training is spectacular. No ads, not using ads whatsoever, pure organic lead generation. Okay, and that's a really cool thing because I spent thousands on ads in the past, and basically all money just gone up the swanny. Well, not up the swanny, actually gone into the pockets of Google and Meta, Facebook. But let's do it organically, and that's what I love. That's the easiest way to do it. So that's the affiliate marketing route. Okay, and we use digital products because they're easy to be. You can email them out. Okay, and then people go straight in and use them straight away. So super, super, super simple. So affiliate marketing is my favorite. So these were the 4. So you got the Master Resale Rights, you got community, you can monetize communities, you got the network marketing, and then you got my favorite, the affiliate marketing. Let me know in the comments which one you'd like to try out, and I'll give you an additional training on it. Okay. Now, if you want to learn more, if you want to get some bonuses, head on over to the Digital Income Freedom Hub, either here on Facebook or on the school community. That's where I'm more involved. There's a community there. I've got of about 350 people right now. There's lots more information. There's free training, and you're going to love it. Tomorrow, I'm going to give some training on how to generate leads, how to go find your target audience. You're not going to want to miss it. So stick with me, and I'll see you tomorrow. I've got you covered.